Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Anita and I hope you all are doing great. Today let's talk about something which really adds value in our life. I have seen some of my friends, they working hard, but when they didn't get good result while learning, they quit learning and they killed their own growth. Now they regret a lot. Nowadays people are always in rush because they don't have lot of time. If you want information about something, within few seconds you can get information. If you want to talk with somebody, within few seconds you can connect with them. If you want to order food or anything, you can get them instantly. But does this apply to every aspect of life? No, it doesn't. Sometimes you have to be patient, you have to be disciplined, you have to be consistent. Then only you can get what you want to be. So what I observed was that my friends wanted to be fluent in English quickly. And that is why they spend 2 hours, 3 hours in a day, because they had their academic as well, and that is why they were unable to maintain consistency, and that was the reason they quit learning English. You know what? Spending 2 hours, 3 hours in a day, it is quite difficult to maintain consistency because we have other responsibilities as well. But what if a person who start being consistent with one small habit? Maybe he reads 1 page every day. Maybe he writes 10 sentences in a day. Learn 1 or 2 vocabularies. Watch 1 English content in a day. He can easily maintain consistency. He cannot quit learning. And from there everything starts changing because he has started to bring little changes in his learning time, and that is why he is able to cover all those activities and maintain consistency. Here you can see, instead of doing something big once and never again, he was doing something small but every day and was getting good result. And within 6 months, he realized his English language has improved a lot. After few years, he spoke like a fluent speaker. He was completely transformed. See the difference, how a small habit can bring huge changes in our life. But here, you have to be patient. You have to believe in yourself. Don't be desperate. I'm not growing, I'm not getting good result, I'm not getting someone appreciation. No, it doesn't mean that you are not growing just because you are putting little effort. But what matters is that you are consistent. So here you are growing, you are building a strong foundation. Here I want to give you one accurate example. Maybe it can motivate you, because I also believe in gradual growth, and that is why I want to share this with you. Do you know about bamboo tree? When you plant a bamboo seed, nothing grows for 5 years. You keep watering, give it time, but nothing happens. But in the 5th year, the bamboo shoots up to 80 feet in just 6 weeks. You know what happened all those 5 years? Its roots were growing underground. And in the 5th year, it emerges outside. Same thing applies in our life too. Though you are not getting good result in the first few months or few years, it doesn't mean you are not growing. You are growing. You are building a strong foundation. So believe in yourself, learn with consistency, and definitely you are going to nail it.